Guys, I am back to speaking a couple of minutes a day. What we're doing is like a kind of medium to natural look photo shoot today. Sorry, my voice, I'm like very quiet. We're just putting all those colors on the outer corner and just building up that color. So you need to conceal using the NARS concealer. I like to do it in a triangle all the way down and up on the cheekbone to really lift that cheekbone. That lighter color lifts and makes it look more raised instead of kind of dark and deep like if you have dark circles. Okay, so contouring, I like to use this fluffy brush. It's just easy to blend, and I put it in the hollows of my cheeks. You can make a fish face and you'll find it, and you'll find that line where you need to, and then just along the jaw just to make it a little bit sharper. Forehead, just because, well, my forehead's not that big, but it does make a difference, as you can see. Super important to cut the contour line down into the mouth. It just really makes it sharp and really defined and gives that really defined cheekbone. The Fenty Beauty highlighter is like my favorite at the moment. So good. The Fenty Beauty and the Huda like shimmer are my new secret weapons for highlight. Look at this glow. You'll see at the end in the photo shoot how amazing these two as a combo is for a photo shoot and for like any photo that you want to take. It just looks so good.